What's up guys, welcome back to unboxing. In this video we're going to be unboxing a 10 kg CNFANS. So if you guys want any items, make sure to check out that spreadsheet, and if you guys want cheaper shipping, make sure to use that sign up link. With that you're also supporting the channel and I can make more videos like this. And now let's start. So I've already unboxed some things because I recorded a TikTok before this, so let me show you. So onto the first items, we got these nice LV wallets which come in handy at the price of around about 10 bucks each. Just take a look at the quality of them. Not gonna lie, the quality is super good. I got this in blue, then I got the skiing version too, which is the same price. Just take a look at the quality of it. I super like this quality of them. The quality is super insane. The last one's the golf version, and honestly you can't really complain about the quality. And if you guys want these, it's linked in a spreadsheet from all items from YouTube. And on to the next item, we have something a bit different. Now let me show you. So on to the next item, we got this nice tracksuit by Spider. This came at the price of around about 80 bucks total. The quality is super insane. Just take a look at the quality, even with the rhinestones and stuff like that. And honestly, it's absolutely worth the money. I mean, you guys, you cannot complain. It looks different. And honestly, I give this a 10 out of 10. And now to the next item. And as you guys can see on the next item, we got this Richard Mille. Just take a look at the quality of this watch. This watch costed me round about a total of 500 bucks, but it's the one-to-one Richard Mille. Now let me show you. This is what it looks like from the back, and honestly the quality is crazy. When you turn it on, you have to like turn on the rotor, so you have to switch like 10 times up, you know, and then the watch starts running. So honestly, this watch is 100% recommended. Now let's move on. On to the next item, we got a Cortez tracksuit, and now let me show you what this stuff looks like on. This is how the tracksuit looks like on. Now let me close the zip so you guys can see all the details. So this is how the tracksuit looks like when you completely put it on, and honestly this is super fire. For the price of around about 60 bucks total, it's a complete cop. Just take a look at the quality of it. Super durable, by the way. Wait a second, this chain is choking me. Whew. You guys can see, let me just show you the quality on the inside. As you guys can see, just take a look at the quality of it. We even have the Cortez branding on the inside of this tracksuit, which is super nice. And now let me show you the zip. And honestly, if you guys want some clean trackies, I 100% recommend these. And now let's move on. And honestly, on to the next one. We got these chrome hearts glasses. Just take a look at the quality of them. These come at the price of around about 15 bucks, which is a complete steal. You can have them done with your own lenses for like extra 60 bucks, so you can actually see with them and you're not blind like me. So honestly, this is a 9 out of 10. And now let's move on. On to the next item, we got these Dior B30s, which came in at the clutch of around about 40 bucks if I'm not sure. Just take a look at the quality of them. This, by the way, is the best batch that we have in the spreadsheet, so make sure to check this out if you guys want real good quality. And yeah, now let's move on. We have 2 more items if I'm sure. On to the next item, we got these yellow LV skates. These are, by the way, one-to-ones. These were more pricey, like 74 bucks. It makes up for the quality that they actually cost. Just take a look at the quality of them. Honestly, I'll rock these any day. And by the way, these are true to size, so you don't have to size up, size down, you know, they fit perfectly. But if you have like a size 44.5, go with 44, so you have the perfect fit for them and you don't have room in between your sock and the shoe. And let's move on. Actually, I forgot, we have exactly 2 more items here. We got this Balenciaga track, which came in at the price of around about $60. This is the budget version, as you guys can see, and the quality of it is super fucking good. So honestly, I'd get this immediately. And on to the last items, we got 3 jewelry pieces. Yes, I've ordered a total of 3, but I forgot to order the chain with them. So on to the first one, we got this chrome hearts, the type of stuff you wear in the military. I don't know what's called. On to the next one, we got this dagger. Just take a look at the quality of the dagger. By the way, these are 15 bucks each, and these are silver, by the way. So I don't know how this guy's making money on them, because the silver value is the same as it. And on to the last one, we got this chrome hearts pendant, which came in at around about 20 bucks, which is honestly a complete steal, since this stuff looks actually good. And yeah guys, if you guys want any items, check out the spreadsheet, and thank you for watching, and comment down below what I should unbox for the next videos. And peace out.